Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Minh Trang.
Ming Jae.
Yes,
Ming Jae. Okay. How are you today, Ming Jae?
I'm happy.
You're happy, and that's good to hear. Are you ready for this speaking test?
Yes,
Okay. How old are you, Ming Jae? How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
You're 8 years old, and could you tell me something about your family?
Yes,
Okay. How many people are there in your family?
in your family there are 4 people.
There are 4 people, and who are they? It's
They
you.
are,
One is you.
they are dad,
Your dad,
my mom,
your
my,
mom.
yeah, my sister, and me.
Okay, your sister, is she older or younger than you? Your sister, is she an older sister or younger sister?
Younger sister.
Younger sister. Okay, and could you describe your mom?
Yes, he is.
She is.
She is beautiful.
Of course, she's beautiful, just like you.
She is fat.
Oh,
She has got
she has got
2 brown eyes.
2 brown eyes. Okay, and you have black eyes.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, dark brown maybe, or maybe black. Black eyes. Okay. Now I have here a picture. Okay.
Yes.
What do you see in the picture?
I
Tell
can
me something
see.
about the picture.
I can see a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Okay, he's the teacher.
It's many people in classroom.
Okay, how many students are in the classroom?
There are 5 people in your classroom.
There are 5 people in the classroom. Okay, and what are they doing?
They are playing.
They are playing. And what else do you see? How about this guy?
She is sleeping.
He is sleeping. And there are bananas on the floor. How many bananas on the floor? How many bananas are there on the floor?
Yeah.
There are, okay, 2
There
bananas
are 2 bananas
on the floor. And how about this guy? What is he doing?
She is
He is lying on the floor
lying on the floor and under the table.
Under the table. How about the girl wearing pink sweater?
She is drawing.
Okay, she's drawing on the board. And what can you say about the teacher? He was like, oh! He was so shocked. Why? The teacher
is upon the many people.
And he was so shocked. Oh no, what are you doing? Why are you playing inside my class? Why are you sleeping in the class? He was like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, and what else do you see? How about the 2 people on the window? What are they doing?
There are 2 people in the window.
Okay, and what are they doing?
They look in your classroom.
They are just looking outside. From the outside, they were just looking. Okay, to the children inside the classroom. Now, I have here different pictures, okay, small pictures. Now, I want you to tell me something about the picture. What's this?
This is a pen.
Okay, this is a pen. Now, I want you to put the pen on the long table. There you go. Very good. Next one. How about this? What's this?
This is a zebra.
Okay, a zebra. Now, I want you to put the picture of a zebra under the white table. Under the white, under. Okay, there you go. Very good. Next, I want you to put this. What's this?
This is a cap.
Okay, a cap. Now, I want you to put it next to the teacher. Okay, now how about this?
This is a trousers.
Okay, trousers. Now, I want you to put this picture between the 2 bags, the red bag and the green bag. Very good. Next one.
They are crayons.
Okay, these are Crayons. Okay, now I want you to put the crayons behind behind the students who is sleeping behind him. And last picture.
Yes.
What's this?
This is a guitar.
A guitar. Now I want you to put the guitar on the floor. On the floor. There you go. Okay, very good. That's all for your speaking test. You did a really great job. Give me high five. 2 high fives. Very good.